hurricane's coming.
Sound like it's my bulky TV.
We're gonna die, but I can't wait for us to get it. What are you talking about, son?
I want to play my game.
You're not playing a game.
I can combine signals together.
Oh, we're not doing that shit again. So, category 1. This is a nice night.
Yeah, why are you using this TV?
Or anywhere else for that matter. Just make sure you're not under a tree. It's a very easy way to maybe save yourself some headaches. So if you can find a spot that's not under a
The hell are you talking about? Whatever. Oh my god, we're getting a hurricane. Mario. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Alright, what are you talking about putting 2 signals together? Mario, where are you? Oh. Wait, what are you talking about putting 2 signals together?
Put 2 signals together.
Do it.
I can't.
But why?
Keep it on the road. And if it's on the road, we have parts for it.
Here it is.
And if you need a part, you can get it fast.
That's coming our direction. Finally, we get a hurricane.
We're thinking about the people who drive them. Because
The
when
hell?
it comes to serving you and our community,
There's a mosquito going around the road.
never quits.
The hell? Where's the mosquito? Alright. Wait, where? I'm going somewhere else. I'm back from the bathroom. What's it doing? Mario, what are you doing?
I'm not doing nothing.
What is this shit? Mario, put the weather on!
I didn't do nothing.
Mario, where are you? What are you doing? Mario, what are you doing? Give me the remote! And you watch the Walmart.
What the frick is a Walmart?
Stop touching my thing. Oh my god, look at this. It's named that.
Dad, just use the TV up there. I want to play my
God,
game.
why is part of the screen cut off?
Gonna rip it open, you'll see the screen in there.
Okay. Okay, I can't do this. The hell? Mario, stop. Mario, where are you?
I'm invisible.
No, you're not. You're right there. Don't, Mario, get away from the TV. Mario, get away from the TV. Mario, get away from the TV. Okay, good. Mario, what are you doing? What was that? No! Mario, what was that? Rainbow screen. What is this? Okay, I gotta throw this away. It showed red and green.
Hey, King Midas, people should know we can service their whole car. Yes. Tires, brakes, oil.
It just blew up, Mario.
I don't know what happened.
Oh, there it is.
Find your tires now at Midas.com.
What are you doing?
We started out around 1951. A few million miles later. But we didn't do all
Dad,
that.
what's channel 1?
We did it to give you a truck to take you
Dad, what's channel 1?
Oh, I wanna look at this.
What's channel 1?
No,
Tell
don't.
me.
Don't! I wanna see what this
I'll
says.
do it if you don't tell
See
me.
what the hourly forecast says. Get that on!
Oh,
Fucking asshole.
I can't let diabetes get in my way.
Oh, great. God, it disappeared.
So here's what I do.
Hey, Mario. Did you ever prepare for this hurricane?
No.
We're gonna prepare. We're gonna prepare, asshole. Got it?
No.
You're gonna help me. Mario! Ugh, friends. Ugh, that's a horrible show. I don't want to see that shit on.
Wait, I could beatbox not on.
Oh, Bebop's because it's trash.
I think I might have just the game. Pretty pageant queen. I don't even know how to play this. Oh, okay. If you're afraid of losing, I'm no loser. It is on.
Okay, I'm getting sick of this. Mario, what did we do?
I don't know.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'll put bebop. I'm gonna put the weather channel on.
Alright, put the weather channel on. I'm just I curve my neck. The hell is that?
It's the weather channel.
Weather-
Oh, great, it's gonna snow.
What are you talking about snow? What? It's snowing? Wait, how does it snowing at this time of year?
They changed. We're not getting the hurricane. It turned into a big snowstorm.
Oh my god! How? It's a nor'easter.
Yep, a big nor'easter.
Gusts can get over 50 miles an hour. Oh my god, there's gonna be a lot of trees down. Wait, how much snow are we getting?
So right now it's 31. With the AC still on.
What the frick?
It's 31 right now, snowing heavy. Sideways snow.
Mario. Oh my god. What's that snazzy looking thing?
Oh, I think it's gonna get warm.
What's that snazzy looking thing?
What snow's looking thing?
Oh, I saw weird lines on the screen.
Oh, it's gonna have a mix.
Fix the channel.
Alright, Dad, it changed to rain. It's 56. But it's Hurricane Sandy coming.
What are you talking about, Hurricane? Wait, this is not the right thing. What is this shit?
What
is this?
Look, it's Xfinity.
Xfagacy? What the hell is that? Oh, it's drugs. This is not the right channel. Put the right channel on.
Dad, it updated again. 76 out.
What the hell? I'm 76 now. What's this big red cells here?
Getting a big thunderstorm.
Oh, a line on the screen.
Oh, what are those big lines? I can actually see them in person.
Okay, I think the phone's broken.
No, I can see them in person.
Freaking mosquito bit me. I'm itching like the hell.
I just got
Your
it.
current condition.
Ugh.
It's gonna rain and be 90 now.
It's gonna be 90. How?
Humidity-
It just showed snow. But is there a thunderstorm coming? Is there a thunderstorm?
Yep. No, the system.
Hold on, we don't live in the middle of the country. Look out the lines!
I can
Flashing.
actually see those. Okay, Dad, can we just use the TV up there?
Your local forecast.
Okay, wait, can you please bring it to another? This is not the right channel.
Shore winds from
There we go.
and you
Changed
could
again.
see flooding. So those kinds of things
65
will
miles
change
an hour, right where
dramatically
we are.
with the landfall point. It's tied to where the center goes. As for the rain and the wind, that's really going to spread out in this storm. It's going to be transitioning from tropical.
No, there's no
to
wind
regular
yet. It's not going
low.
to happen
It's
till later
slowing
today.
down. Everybody gets the wind and rain, and that means everybody gets the tree damage threat as well. Chris.
Yes! What the No, 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 no! No, please turn on. Okay. No, he's right here.
That is part of the upper low.
No, what the hell? Why is power flickering? No! Work! Oh. No, please stop. Stop! Stop, you effing asshole. Okay, it stopped.
Let's go borrow a boat and make some bad.
No! Okay, come on. Are you freaking kidding me with this TV? Alright, go fix it.
Okay, let's go fix it. I'll get the antennas in the wrong position.
It's broken. Okay. Now.
Here, where you need maximum coverage and ceiling power, take it to the max with FlexMax.
Is that anal seal?
Yes, it's anal seal. It's anal family. My God! Oh my God! I hope we don't lose power. Well, that would be a nightmare.
Creates a super strong bond on wet and
Okay,
dry
I got it.
surfaces.
It's gone.
And it even works underwater.
Yeah, sure it does. You're just scamming us like hell.
Flex Seal and Max.
The power went out.
Why do we hit AC on?
I don't know.
I think. No, that's not the AC. What is that?
Oh, it's just my speaker with the thing on it.
Is it a battery?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be shitting me now. Get a light. Oh my God, asshole.
Exercise.
Wait, the power came back on.
We are aware of them. If theater-wide exercises are some of the biggest
Ugh,
exercises
why is this on?
for 40 years. And again, that's to send a message.
Why is this on? I'm not watching that.
Pacific, the New Zealanders.
Oh my god, there's a hurricane coming. Oh god, I can show it. I can show it to you. What the frick is that sound? I'm gonna show you my code. That's whatever. I can't wait to show you this nice weather. Oh my god, we're getting a hurricane. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait. Oh.
The water channel's on.
Yes, I know. Oh, come on, you freaking asshole. Sick of this. That's sustained wind. Okay, oh my god, it's strong. Where's the gust? How come it doesn't have gusts yet? You know, it's so stupid. Yeah, that's enough looking at this. Alright. Hey, Mario. We're getting a well, if back to a strong truck, the frick. Hey, Mario, if you leave the song on too long, watch it will turn on. You know?
What?
Okay, you don't know.
Is that what's happening?
Mario, it's just the overworld music now. If you can hear it.
What is this?
It's an ad. Mario, it's an ad. Just skip it. Shit. Yeah, shit is right. You shitty things. Get in our way. What? No, I was kidding listening to that.
I'm gonna go on this.
What is this? Okay, Mario. Put this control. Really? I'm gonna put this controller in my back and see what it would do.
Jump. Roll. Come on, you get Bowser.
That's stupid. Alright, I guess for a good afternoon. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.